welcome to KK Java Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we'll talk about one of the very important function in Oracle that is called NVL, right? Which takes two parameters. Here you will have to pass the column and another is the value. What is value we'll discuss. So basically, as you know, data field without any value in database contains null value, right? There are many situations where we are required to deal with the null value columns in queries or calculations, right? So let's say if I look into the employee table, here you can see one of the column is called sal, which represents the salary of the employee, and another column is COMM, that is nothing but the commission. So let's say I would like to calculate the total compensation of the employee, then that would be basically salary plus commission, and that's give you the total compensation. And that's where I'm going to show you how to get the total compensation of every employee using NVL function. Yeah, so let me write this query. So here I'm going to write select, and here I'll select few columns as well, like name, then salary, then let's say commission, and third things what I want to calculate, salary plus commission. That's basically represents total compensation or total salary. And here I'm going to provide alias as total salary, or what you can say total compensation. Yeah, and that I'm going to select from the EMP table. Okay, if I run this query, let me format this query first of all. So to format this query, I would press Ctrl F7. Yeah, now if I run this query, then let's see what output we get. Here you can see total compensation 800 plus none, showing that null. That is absolutely wrong. 1600 plus 300, that is showing 1900. That's correct. This is also correct. But wherever you find one of the value is null, result is giving as null, right? But in both the column, in salary as well as commission column, if there are some value, then resultant value is correct. But any of the value is null, then resultant is null. That's the problem, right? Now to overcome this problem, we have NVL function. So here instead of just I'm putting add and directly try to add a commission over here. I know commission contains a lot of null values, but salary contains at least some value, but commission may contain null value. So here I'm going to use NVL function, NVL. Yeah, and here first parameter you have to pass the column, right? And second parameter I'm going to pass it over here 0, but it's not mean that always you have to pass 0. Here what I want to get the sum of salary plus commission columns, right? Here salary contains at least some value, but in commission there may be a null, right? So NVL, I'm telling to the NVL function, hey NVL function, if commission column comes with some value, then return that value and add into the salary. If commission comes with the null value, if commission contains the null value, then return 0 instead null, right? So let's say in this case salary would be 800. NVL for this column is going to return 0 instead of null. So 800 plus 0, this will give you the 800. Similarly, this logic will be applied for every calculation, right? Now if I run this, then you'll see calculation would be fine. Now you can see 800 plus null 800, 2975 plus null 2975. Calculation is absolutely right. So that's where we can use NVL function. I hope you understood. Guys, big thank you for watching this video and see you there in the next video tutorial.